If you want to save money without coupon clipping or changing your lifestyle, this is the video for you. These are the easiest ways to cut spending on things you already buy with zero sacrifice. 1. Always check the price per unit, not the price on the box. Most stores list the unit price in tiny print on the shelf tag. And here's the secret, buying in bulk is usually cheaper, but not always. Example, large packs of toilet paper and paper towels usually lowest cost per roll. But butter, olive oil, cereal, even some cleaning sprays sometimes cheaper in the smaller size, depending on sales cycles. Never assume. Always compare the unit price. 2 seconds of checking can save hundreds a year. 2. Bulk buying works best for things you use at a fixed rate. Laundry detergent, dish soap, shampoo, toothpaste, trash bags. You'll use the same amount whether you buy small or giant. So for these, bulk equals automatic savings. 3. But some items get more expensive emotionally when you buy them in bulk. Chips, candy, snack foods, kombucha, protein shakes. When you buy these in bulk, you tend to consume more just because they're there. So the deal isn't actually a deal. If it's something you overeat, don't buy the bulk version. It costs more long term. 4. Underrated hack, get the Target red card, the debit one, not the credit card. The debit red card pulls money straight from your checking. No fees, no interest, no risk. You save 5% instantly on every purchase. And here's the wild part, some items are regularly cheaper at Target with red card than at Walmart, even though Walmart is usually lower priced. Examples, makeup sponges, Fairlife milk, baby wipes and diapers during sale weeks, cleaning supplies, travel size cosmetics, seasonal basics with the 5% discount. These often beat Walmart, without clipping a single coupon. If you shop at Target even a little, the red card pays for itself in 1 or 2 trips. 5. Compare store brands, but don't forget quality. Aldi, Target up and Amp, up. Costco Kirkland, Walmart great value. Many match or beat name brands. And some are literally made by the same manufacturers. But don't assume cheap equals best value. Sometimes a lower quality product means you end up using more of it. Value equals quality times price. 6. Use the 10-second rule for impulse buys. Before something goes in your cart, ask, was this already on my list? Or did I grab it because it looks good? 10 seconds of honesty saves people over $1,000 a year in throwaway purchases. 7. Subscribe an app. Save only works for things you actually finish monthly. It's not a deal if boxes are piling up. Use auto delivery only for things like pet food, diapers, toiletries, cleaning staples, supplements you actually use. Skip it for snacks or fun buys. 8. Know your regular prices. You don't need a spreadsheet. Just remember, if you buy it monthly, you should know the normal price. Without that baseline, you can't spot a real deal. 9. Watch out for sales psychology. Buy 3 for $10 does not mean you have to buy 3. Most of the time, you get the same price when you buy just 1. Sales are designed to make you spend more. Your job is to buy what you came for, nothing extra. 10. And the rule that saves people the most money, if you wouldn't have bought it anyway, it's not a deal. Discounts are not savings if they create new spending. Shift from, I saved $8 to, I spent $12 I wasn't planning to. That mindset alone can transform your finances. If this helped you, hit like, it tells YouTube to show this to more people. And if you want simple, practical money tips that actually build wealth, subscribe for the next video.